Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm sick of dealing with Skidoo ski rubbers. I had a cheap set of aftermarket ones in there because I couldn't get good ones at the time. But today we are putting in the Kyber One ski rubbers, so should solve my issues. Last winter I blew a couple of the factory Skidoo ones out. I'm excited to put these in. It should stiffen my ski up so it shouldn't have much wobble or play when the skis are off the ground. And hopefully I'll never have to touch them again. So we'll see. Okay, so we got those off. Kicking myself for not just doing it when I bought my sled last year, but whatever, you learn. My last sled, 23 G5 Turbo, exact same issue, went through ski rubbers like crazy. Last winter I started the season off with this sled, normal, stock, didn't do anything other than wrap and bumpers, handlebar setup. And last winter I went through a couple of these. So this is the factory Skidoo one. And if you look at it here, there's not much holding it in. Basically, this thing's just held in here by that nub, going in there, and then this piece just wedging up in between, sits like that. So when you stuff your ski, come out like this, or up like this, and then you're hooped. You gotta pull your ski off, and the ski's gonna be all wobbly, and it's never the same. It's quite honestly not great. So last winter I needed a set pronto, and these were atrocious. I had to trim them to make them fit. Don't ask, but not good. Garbage. Rode them for maybe a handful of days. Wrecked. Garbage. Now look at this one. This is the Kyber One ski rubber, and if you look at it here, there's so much more hooking these Kyber Ones in. So this is the bottom set. So you can see stick, durable, but then each piece goes into each runner of the ski, so this thing's locked in there. Like if you're ripping this out, you hit something pretty hard. So excited to try these out. It's nothing exciting to talk about, but I'll tell you, it's nice not having wobbly skis when you're on the snow, when your skis are off the ground, and then knowing that these aren't gonna pop out. So we'll put these in here, mount them up, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So instantly these things are sitting there perfect. They're locked in there. You can reef on these and they're in there. Okay, well, my sled actually decided to balance there, so it's good, but here's the play with the Kyber. Not much. Not much at all. We'll swap to this ski now and show you. See if the old scud will stay on this side. Yep. That you get with a factory or an aftermarket one or not an ideal one. Big difference. You don't need all that. Let's get this side done now. Hammer. Punch. Black guy out. Got a little bit of slop in there just from cheap rubbers, so it's my own fault. Lift up, out, down. This piece of crap out. One thing you're gonna get is if you get too much play, you'll actually wear out the eyelets on your skis. I had that happen to my buddy, and he actually had to bind your skis. So watch for that. Don't lose these two bushings. Make sure these two bushings stay on the inside of your ski, and we'll grab the Kyber. Grab this guy like so. Slap her in there.